Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett? Vegetables. Vegetables.
These are the knobs. I'm going to get my Dremel out and take this out. Okay, so you can see I hollowed it out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut here and here so this will slide on top of it, and I'll epoxy it. So you're probably wondering, how do you take off these knobs? Because if you pull on them, they're very hard. You're not gonna pull them out. There's a groove, and each one of them, you just gotta find it. Pull a little bit, turn it, pull, turn. There it is. On this one, it's on the heat side, right? So we do the other one. Not there, not there. And this is again on the far right. And the top, I can only imagine, might be the far right, right? Yep, far right. So turn the knob far right, then pull out. All right, so this is what I basically did. I shaved off this part and this part right where it's even with the roundness of the knob. Okay, doesn't have to look beautiful because this is going to go on top of it, right? So I also shaved off like half, so I'm going to show it to you. So that way we can just slip this other thing on here. Remember, I'm going to epoxy it. That this clear part is flush with the black original knob. So I'll epoxy it and I'll put it on. I'll show you what it looks like. The last cut that I failed to mention, you got to cut the plastic half. So go from where it was to just cut it in half. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Looks a little nicer, doesn't it? A little up to date. I'm always up to dating stuff on this truck, so if you like it, throw a thumbs up. You know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, do so. It's free. It helps the channel. All right, guys, take it easy.